So let's talk about the latest that's going on with SHIB right here, right now. Walking down some steps to make sure I don't fall off of them. Shiba Inu is looking really, really good. It's up about 2%, give or take, as of the recording of this video. Bitcoin, Ethereum are up. Ethereum is stealing the show right now. It's been up as high up as 6%, almost at that $2,000 mark. Bitcoin looking good over 30,000. So a couple of things are moving in the market, right? So this is the latest as it relates to SHIB, but I also like to tell you kind of what's going on in the overall market as well. So tell me if you like me to do that by hitting that thumbs up and hitting that subscribe, and drop me a comment below if you so are inclined. All right, so the overall crypto market moving up. So we got CPI data yesterday, Consumer Price Index data, because today's Thursday, we got that on Wednesday. And it showed that the inflation is cooling, it's coming down, which is now probably sending the market a little bit in the positive direction. I think that's why we're seeing crypto do that a little bit. Stock futures are looking decent as well, and stocks are looking decent on that side of the fence. I think we're looking at a easing, easing, an easing of the possible rate hikes, not cuts, rate hikes that we've been getting from the Federal Reserve. So we either A, might only get a 25 basis point raise, sorry, my nose is just allergies still, or B, maybe even no interest rate hike in the May meeting that's coming up from the FOMC Federal Reserve. So this is an impactor on Shiba Inu, right? It's because it impacts all of crypto, okay? And impacting all of crypto, with SHIB being a top 15 crypto, it definitely moves along with kind of the rest of the crowd, right? So we've got that. So it's positive news. Now, beyond that, some interesting things going on with Twitter and eToro formal partnership. Twitter's making an announcement that you will soon be able to trade crypto on Twitter platform in some association with eToro. So I haven't gotten all the details around it yet, but that's something that's coming. And anytime you mention crypto, Twitter, Elon, usually that's a positive thing as well. So I think that's a reason that the market's up right now, is that they're seeing, you know, Twitter becoming more front and center with the usage of crypto and being able to trade it and buy and sell and all that kind of stuff. So that's something interesting that I'm going to be watching, because that's really cool. Shiba Inu will be a part of that, absolutely, right? It will be part of that equation one way or the other. Now, there's the other side of, as it relates to Elon and what's he going to do with Dogecoin, because remember, wherever Dogecoin goes, Shiba Inu goes, as well as where Shiba Inu goes, usually Dogecoin goes as well. So all good news. Things are looking good on Shibarium, still doing its kind of benchmark testing, and it's all of its puppy net test net stuff. I still think we're looking at potentially a May timeframe for a mainnet launch. I think it's probably more of like a June or July scenario. So that's kind of what I'm thinking as well in that. So a lot of projects testing on it, 70 plus projects currently right now testing on Shibarium mainnet. We've got a glimpse from the metaverse side of the equation that we're going to get a look at the SHIB metaverse by the end of the year. We'll actually be able to access it and, you know, get into it. It won't be the full-blown version, meaning we'll be like probably access to only a few areas or worlds inside of it, and then, you know, all of it will not be available till 24. But we are going to see it, and the images and the graphics that are coming are amazing. It's being built in the Unreal Engine, which is the preeminent graphics engine. Makes everything look and feel very lifelike and real, if you will. So that's what I got for you right now. Just kind of an overall latest and greatest. SHIB looking good. I will see you later. Have a good one. Go make some money.